So January 1st, 2025, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $100 to prove to you it's not about how much money you have in your account. It all comes down to one thing, and that is a good strategy. You could have $1 billion in an account, and with a bad strategy, with bad setups, you're gonna lose money. So we're gonna be doing an update on our $100 swing trading challenge. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel and you're like, who is this random guy? My name is Carter. I'm a veteran trader in the market, and I have been for the past 7 years, which is crazy to even say. So with that being said, we do have an amazing school, an amazing community where I teach people my strategies, entry points, exits, risk management skills, but more importantly, how to find undervalued stocks. And it's not a get rich quick scheme. A lot of a lot of traders on YouTube and TikTok, they claim that trading, you can get rich quick in 30 days. No, this is like a college class. We treat it like that. What I mean by that is it could take years of practice and hard work before you could see, profit. And I think that is so incredibly important for new traders getting into the game. So check out our school, and you guys can get 51% off by using code SPRING25 for a spring sale. We only have a couple of spots left for that code, so check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this. But before we do, check out our merch. We do have awesome new trading merch. It's fantastic. I'll put it down below, and code dividends for 20% off for the merch. So guys, check it out. There's so many cool things, and we just ordered a bunch of it. So get ready to see me repping it. If you guys are an investor or trader, check it out. But let's jump into this here. So, all right, this past week here, what happened? What did we do? So I think we all know market volatility is extremely, extremely high. Now, with our larger account, we took, a couple of day trades. And the reason why is just capturing short-term momentum, right? In and out of positions, capturing 3-4%, because you guys know I'm a very, very conservative trader. And what I mean by that is if I make 3% per month, I'm happy. And the reason why is the data and statistics back me up. If you make that, 3% per month, you are in the top 5% of all traders in the world. So yes, with a crazy return like we've experienced this past month here, or this past week, of being up over 8.2%, which is near and around $14 in profit, that's great. Especially with the small account. And the reason why is because we actually took a swing trade, on this. Normally, like I said, market conditions, we get in and out with a day trade with a larger account. But with the smaller one, I decided to be a little more risky because it's just such a small amount of money. So right now, our total account balance is sitting near and around $189. So we've almost doubled our account, which is fantastic. And what I always say to people that are like, Carter, that's only, $100 or $89 in profit. Yeah, you're right. But if that's $10,000, if that's $100,000, then you can see those significant returns. And that's what we teach. So check out our school, and let's jump into this here. All right. So what is the stock? So we took a trade on ROOT. Now, why? First and foremost is before we ever place a trade, we want as many things on our checklist and in our favor as possible. The first thing with the stock here is trends, right? Trends, if you guys watch the channel, I'm an upward trend kind of guy. And with ROOT here, we have that beautiful, beautiful upward trend here, going from lows at about $34 down in here, all the way up to $181, which is exactly what we look for. The next thing here is support. Support could be a variety of things. And in this circumstance, it sold off down to that blue line, which is a 90-day EMA line. This acts as support in the past, where you guys can see it hits it, and we had that good move up. And you guys can see it also acts as resistance, where it sells off below it and just has a hard time breaking above it. So ideally, you want to stock on an upward trend that sold off down to some level of support. Now, support doesn't have to just be a moving average line. It also could be, a trend line, just like this here, where it hits this trend line, and it establishes buying pressure each and every time, right? Hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. So now we have two supports. We have a moving average line, and we also have a trend line, that's even better, because the more supports you have, the better off you're going to be The next thing here that I look for is going to be an undervalued RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum indicator, and what we want to look at is previous history at the current mark of the RSI. So you guys can see it was trading for about a 33 on the RSI. The last time it was trading for a 33, it was back right in this range, right in here. So I knew we had a good indication where we could get that buying pressure, and that's all we need here. Now, some other traders will look at the MACD, some will look at, volume, and yeah, all that stuff is very, very important here, but I just love to just keep it as simple as I can. I find when I have too many indicators on my charting, it overwhelms me. I love the expression MISS, MISS, make it simple, stupid. I'm not going to overcomplicate myself. And this is a strategy that just works phenomenal. So after we establish that, what's the next approach? Well, the thing about trading is one time frame could be telling you one thing, and then another time frame could be telling you another. So now here we went to the hourly time frame. In the hourly time frame here, it was forming just this trend line where it would hit this trend several times, right? And just get natural selling pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we had this beautiful breakout where the stock popped up above it, and this was our entry price, near and around $114. The thought process I had behind this was very, very simple. If we can enter on this breakout here near and around that 114, keep our stops, a little bit below it, for a possible push up to here, resistance, that's almost a 5-to-1 risk and reward there. So now here as the stock, actually what really scared me was that stock sold off like crazy that next day. But what we did is we kept our stop loss below the lower wick down here around 102. So risking near and around $10 to make upwards of like $50, which is really good. So now since it didn't fall below it, we continue to hold and it rallied its way up. And this was the day where we actually took a day trade with our larger account. But with this small account here, we continue to let this thing go up and up and up. And if we look at and we get these moving average lines back up, what do I always say? Moving average lines act as support and they also act as resistance. So you guys can see it popped up, used it as support, and then after hours just started breaking down. And this is where we got out of the position near and around about $124. Now, we're going to continue to watch this stock here and look for other entry points, but we sold just because of the breakdown of that moving average line. And given the market conditions, I didn't want to hold this stock overnight too many days, especially with a smaller account, and blow it. But I also wanted to have that risk of possible swing trade. So now here we could see a nice move on this trend line or a nice move on that 200-day moving average line. So that's the thing about trading. Good risk management, understanding our entries, our exits, our risk management is crucial to be a successful trader. So if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. And if you guys just want to check out our merch, go ahead and do that. Code dividends for 20% off on the merch and code spring25 for 51% off. So check it out down below. I'll see you guys in there. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.